Hi, honeys. How's your day going so far? Mine is going fine. Okay, I'm getting ready to fix some hot dogs in the air fryer. I'm using the Hebrew National Beef Franks. I'm going to use my little Cosori. I'll be back. I was going to use this one, the Wi-Fi one, but I used the little one. Hello. You hear Walter fussing? Y'all usually hear me fussing at Walter. He's back there fussing.
I wonder why.
He making hamburgers, and I want some hot dogs. So, let me show y'all. My hot dogs will be done before you ready for the air fryer. These things so skinny, I could probably eat 6 of them at one time. But I ain't.
I'll eat one of them.
I'm gonna fix 3. You want one? Do you want one?
Yeah, I'd take one.
You take all day to answer. You snooze, you lose. Oh, let me preheat my air fryer. This is the 3.7 quart Cosori. In red. They also have it in white and black. Okay, I'm gonna preheat it. And I'm gonna prepare these hot dogs. This is what I do to them. Just slice it. Well, y'all will really see it when it's cooked, because these slices will pop open. Kind of angle it, slice it, but don't go all the way through. And they look pretty and they taste good. Fixed in the air fryer. Tastes like roasted hot dogs, like you buy from the ballpark. I think they steam their stuff. I just know they're good. Better than boiling hot dogs, because you ain't boiling all the flavor out. I'm ready to put them in there now. I don't like waiting. And I have this air fryer sitting on a rolling countertop tray, and I put a link in my description box for it. I'm not putting any oil, nothing but the hot dog. Yes, you can fix hot dogs, Polish sausage, everything in the air fryer. Okay, what I'm gonna set it on. It's gonna take about maybe 5 minutes. What about that? Okay, I set it on the shrimp setting. Let it do what it do. Y'all didn't see it. I set it on the shrimp setting. So it's set for 370 for 6 minutes. And it will be ready. Okay, I'll be back. I'm gonna put a few fries in the air fryer, right alongside the hot dogs. Once you take this out, it pauses, and then you put the fry basket back in, then it automatically starts back up. I just want a few. I don't like fries like Walter does. Let's put them right beside the hot dogs. Let me start it back up. Okay, I'm smelling the hot dogs, so I'm sure they're done. And I don't know about the fries. They look done enough. So I'm gonna go to the stove. And bring y'all over here. Turn this around. It looks. Okay, put this out of my way. I got the top sliced buns by Pepperidge Farm. Look like this. Just to turn over. The top of it is sliced. A little skinny hot dog. Got the slits are in it. Okay, what's mustard? Love mustard. It's regular yellow mustard. Mustard is good for you because it got turmeric in it and it helps with aches and pains. I like a lot of mustard. That's good. I'm going to put some sweet, well, this is sweet and spicy relish by Famous Dave's. I was going to buy some chopped up jalapeno peppers, and then I saw this. Because I want the sweet relish and some jalapenos, but I saw this and I said, yeah, buddy, I'll give this a try. I like everything by Famous Dave's. And got some onion chopped up. I love raw onion. This just happened to be red onion because I had it. I chopped this onion about 3 weeks ago, and I put it in the mason jar in the refrigerator, and it's still good. Okay, let me get these fries. Okay, little hot doggy, you have to move over. Can y'all actually see what I'm doing? I don't even know if these fries are done, but I'm gonna eat them. You have to be very careful with a hot air fryer basket, because you can burn yourself just like you can in the oven. Let me put this back. And always support the bottom of your air fryer when you're carrying it like that. Support it. So the whole thing don't come loose and you tear up your stuff or break your foot. Okay. I'm around here chewing gum. I'm about to eat. Okay. Check the fry. Yep, fry's done. Took 5 minutes for the hot dog and the fries to get done. And the hot dogs get done quicker if you slice them like I did. So this is my dinner, y'all. Well, to say we got to start eating healthy. We do. One day, but it ain't today. So this is my hot dog and fries cooked in the air fryer. So I want to thank you all for watching. I'm not going to eat no hot dog on for y'all. Then stuff be dripping everywhere. I ain't doing that. Thanks for watching. Thumbs up, leave a nice comment, and subscribe to my channel. And I'll put the link to the 3.7 quart Cosori, which comes in red, white, and black. And they have the white ones back in stock for the 5.8 quart ones. Okay. Y'all be blessed. Bye. Here's a close-up of my food. Yummy, yum, 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 yum. Bye for real now.